lang pahawak.
Ayan na! Ako ba'y nalulula? Hindi ko mapigilan. Sa kanya ako'y lubos na humahanga.
Grabe yung pagod dito sa ano, sa Mapol bro, no? Anong pangalan mo?
Aki po.
Bro, napakalambot ng legs nila, bro.
Okay lang.
Okay.
Diba?
We need rest, bro.
Kasi, Erika, pagod talaga. Ako
Yeah.
pagod talaga. Ikaw, pagod ka ba?
Lambot ng ano nila, no?
Leg.
Ng legs. Super lambot.
Lambot, ha?
Oo.
Lambot, ha?
So, bro, we need rest at home, bro. At home.
Oh, pwede.
So,
Let's tayo. Diba?
Okay, we gonna take home?
Yes, lahat.
Yes, because I need...
Because the weather not good.
Yeah,
Tama.
the weather
Okay.
not good. So,
Tara.
we need to go home. Tara, let's go, let's go.
Uuwi ka na lupay-pay. Uuwi ka na lupay-pay.
Told you, diba?
Yeah.
We need to always do double check.
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
So right now we're gonna... Oh,
Ay,
yeah,
ringers.
yeah, pwede,
Sir.
pwede. Hello po, ma'am.
Before I let you go, nag-i-ragis good night, baby.
Doktor kasi kami, ma'am. Tas
Yeah.
ito yung teacher ko.
You need to put here, dito.
Yes.
Hard breath.
Inhale.
Inhale. Isa pa. Like that.
This is the proper sir.
It's the proper side.
Okay.
Yeah.
Inhale.
Inhale. Exhale. Inhale.
So, I think
Exhale.
her. She's not healthy.
Not healthy.
Unhealthy. So, we are going to bring home.
Sabakay. Deep check.
Hot shot, running in my non-stop.
Excuse me. I'm a doctor, my teacher.
I'm the
Loka,
teacher.
Loka. Boss Loka.
Boss Luca. Not Loco.
So, ang
Boss
gagawin
Luka.
namin ngayon ay mag-heartbeat. I-check namin yung heartbeat niya. Okay lang?
Hindi man yako.
Yes, yes. I-check lang natin yung heartbeat niya, sir.
Sige.
Kasi nga, bagsak nga ako sa school di ba?
Because you're my student.
Yes,
Okay.
you're my teacher. Yes,
Okay.
so,
Get the doctor tools.
yes, this my...
Okay. Yeah.
So, I'm
So-
going to...
Yeah, put in your ear first. May jowa ka ba?
May jowa.
Meron.
Meron.
I-block
Ikaw,
natin
may
yung
jowa ka ba?
Wala.
Wala kang jowa, kawawa ka naman. Sabi ka, ikaw, may jowa ka ba? Wala kang
Wala,
jowa,
wala.
kawawa
So,
ka. Dalawa kawawa.
Oh,
Okay, so you need to put it here.
heartbeat. Heartbeat, sir. Heartbeat.
Here. And little bit down. Here.
Okay, okay.
Oh, you called it. Oh.
Heartbeat, heartbeat.
Meron or wala?
Konti, sir, konti.
Meron.
Oh,
Meron.
meron.
Oh,
Meron,
that's good. Next, another one.
Another one.
Baba. Oh. Meron? Wala.
Little bit.
Wala. Wala kang jowa. Wala kang jowa.
Pinawisan siya, sir. Pinawisan siya.
Oh,
Siya.
ikaw.
Dito.
Oh, ikaw.
Kakahan.
Meron or wala?
Konti. Sir, actually may ano sila, may konting karamdaman sila, may sakit sila. So, dalhin natin sila sa bahay na lang kasi doon ang pinakamalaking heartbeat check na ano.
Oh, ikaw sobrang malaki sa heart.
Yung heartbeat niya is big pump.
Yeah, big pump.
XL heart.
But wala.
Large.
Ano large?
Small.
Heart.
Small. Unhealthy also, you need gulay-gulay yun.
Gulay-gulay.
Gulay-gulay. At vitamins.
And sugar apple, not sugar daddy.
Okay, let's go.